So I'm super excited to make this quick announcement. I've recently created this program. It's called the Soul Align Way. So way as wildly authentically you. And the reason why I feel called to create this program is because I feel so many of us on this spiritual journey, we've been battling with our inner demon. Keep up with the faith, trusting the process, and surrender. I mean, you know all that. So we just continue not to give up, right? And it goes endless. Sometimes we wind up feeling tired and exhausted for some reason. Like, when is it gonna end, right? But anyhow, the reason why I feel I want to create this program is because I see there are two missing pieces, two missing energetic elements in the so-called deep inner work. One is lightheartedness. Second one is fun, right? So our inner little kiddos, they can't wait to be set free, to really enjoy life, experience more as a playground rather than this is such a treacherous place that I need to figure it out, right? So anyhow, this program that I designed, Soul Align Way, is to support those of us who have been doing enough inner work or just kind of tired of doing inner work. You've done enough and you believe that you can actually change your inner landscape to create a new reality. However, there is certain areas of your life you still kind of feeling like you're bending backwards and things are not working out for you on a certain physical level, okay? And so in this soul aligned way, I'd love to really help any of you guys who are feeling called, feeling open to merge your soul self with your human self. And by taking soul aligned actions every day. And this is going to be an experiential, kind of like a lab experience for you. So encouraging your inner child to just wake up and play. And based on the birth data that you give me, I will download your main gifts of your soul and your personality or attributes of how your soul operates. And based on that, I call this as a playground recipe that you are able to create your own little soul aligned actions, small or big, doesn't matter. So when you are taking action, you are honoring this human body because it loves to do things physical. And it feels, yeah, I'm doing something to solve certain things of my life, right? So it liberates this human side of you that have the urge to do something. And also you feel that you are attuned to your soul alignment. And of course, we will have to learn about what are some of the misalignment symptoms when you are not aligning to those attributes of your souls. So it'll be super fun and interesting. I'm so excited to just invite you to have a quick check below for the description in the bottom of this post. And yeah, if you are feeling called to play, let's do it, okay? And so I can't wait to hear what you think. More lightheartedness and fun. This is how 2023 will feel like, hopefully, for you. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.